Today I want to share with you one quick tip on how we use flashcards for learning and reviewing our Chinese characters here in our home. Do you use flashcards? Are you tired of flipping through them? Are you bored of flashcards yet? I need something more exciting, and I set out to find out how we could gamify our flashcards so that it would be more exciting for me. Here in our house we play a lot of games, and this is how we play to learn. So here's how we play Snakes and Ladders. We use the read what you roll rule. What a mouthful. Read what you roll. Read what you roll. It simply means you read the number of flashcards for the dice that you rolled. If you roll a 7, you get to read 7 flashcards. And if you get them all correct, you get to move 7 spaces.
老书成周下张印
If you get one mistake, you move 1 space less. It's that simple. I like to use read what you roll for reviewing a large number of cards, especially in Snakes and Ladders, where you can get quite far by the end of a game.
6, 7
See, flashcards don't have to be boring. They can add a really fun and new dimension to games you already own. That's my one quick tip for playing to learn that you can use today. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know in the comments what are other fun ways you use your flashcards. And while you're at it, check out my other videos, subscribe to my channel, and find me online at The Chili Buddy. Let's go play a game!